Hello, my dear. How are you today? What do you feel now? I feel now sleepy and calm, and I want to smoke. No cigarettes. Also, I feel cold in my legs. Hysteric. I was crying before. What do you feel now? It's independent to understand and to say in the moment what do you feel. Progress start from this. So let's start to read. Рентон спут Сигбой Бэгби. Ревини Уэллс Транспотин. Page number 25. No inters are made, but that's the prerogative of my bow-faced icon, Mike Forrester. He's the man in the chair and he certainly knows it. The bastard lunches entire this spiel, talking incessantly like a brain trying to stay up as late as possible. Mr. Fashion, Johnny Soughton, Achel Cole, the can't says nothing but smiles enigmatically and occasionally rolls his eyes in mock ecstasy. If ye ever saw a predator's face, it was Saucton's. The fat so God, she is grotesque. He hows and force out the odd psychopathic chuckle at times. Gauge Tye be rudely appropriate. After listening Tye this shite for a while, my pain and nausea forced me Tye intervene. My non-verbal signals are contemptuously ignored, so stem in. Sorry, Tye, interrupt ye there, mate, but need Tye be putting my skates on. Ye got the gear there. The reaction is over the top, even by the standards I the crappy game Forrester in playing.